All right, so if you remember for circles, we had two different equations, right? We had the standard form and the general form. Same way for the line, we also have a general form, and the general form of the equation of a line is given by ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, where a and b both cannot be equal to 0, right? So a and b both cannot be 0. Okay, so let's look at this example. So we want to find the slope and y-intercept of the line 3x plus 4y plus 12 equals 0. Notice here that this equation is in the general form, right? And so it's not very clear. That's the drawback of the general form, is it's not very clear what your slope is. So how do I figure out what my slope is? If you recall, you had your slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m, or the coefficient of x, is your slope, and the constant is going to be your y-intercept, right? So what we're going to try and do is we're going to go ahead and take this equation, and we're going to somehow transform it into y equals mx plus b. Okay, so, and you can see here that it's solved for y. So I'm going to take this equation, I'm going to solve it for y. So I have 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0, right? I want to solve for y. So first I'm going to subtract the 12 on both sides. And that leaves me with 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. All right, so I want to isolate y. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3x on both sides. So that leaves me with 4y equals negative 3x minus 12. And finally divide by 4. So I get y equals negative 3 over 4 x minus 12 over 4. Right, so I'm dividing by 4. Okay, so then what is my slope? Well, this number here, that gives me my slope. Right, so I have m equals negative 3/4. And this number over here gives me my y-intercept. And you can see that 12 divided by 4 is 3. So negative 3 is going to be my y-intercept. Right, so for this line, slope is negative 3/4, and the y-intercept is going to be negative 3.